Hello, we are Group 9 and we will be presenting our product called AingBersih. Our group is composed of 6 members, Hakim being our Chief Executive Officer, Amal our Chief Marketing Officer, Ira our Chief Operating Officer and Resources Manager, followed by Kevin who is our Chief Legal Officer and Public Relations Manager, then Zulfatli our Chief Financial Officer and HSE Manager which includes Chief Compliance Officer, then lastly Amin who is our Chief Technical Officer. The vision for AingBersih is to improve the quality of water use in Brunei households. According to UNICEF, roughly 1 in 10 people don't have access to clean water, so that's approximately 784 million people in the world that don't have access to clean water. Since this is a startup company, our scope is limited only to the local market. However, we might expand once we have enough capital to do so. As for the mission of our company, our proposed product will be to produce water filters that are efficient to eliminate common contaminants into tap water, thereby making it safer to drink. We also strive to resolve some water quality problems in Brunei, particularly water discoloration being the most cause of concern. In this table are the common contaminants that can be found in tap water. Firstly, metallic pollutants, heavy metals or metalloids. They are non-degradable, difficult to be removed, and can have a long-term impact on our health. They are mainly sourced from agricultural and industrial activities, but they can be removed directly using adsorption process. Secondly, we have non-metallic pollutants. They are excessive annoyance such as fluoride and phosphate, which are sourced mainly from agricultural waste, and they can pose as a threat to living organisms, especially in developing countries, and may have the potential to cause cancer. Thirdly, we have organic pollutants, color and dyes. They are disposed mainly from its production in industrial activities, such as paints, cosmetics, textiles, and paper products. They are also known as one of the biggest and main wastewater pollutants that are toxic and carcinogenic to humans and other living things. Fourth, we have pesticides that are sourced from agriculture and gardening. Its extensive use will decline water quality and threaten the aquatic environment as well as the human health by being carcinogenic and causing mutation in genes. The permissible concentrations in tap water and portable water for pesticides are 0.05 mg per liter, 0.09 mg per liter, and 0.1 mg per liter for bentazone, carbofuran, and 2,4-dichlorophenoxytic acid respectively. Our water filter process is adsorption. Absorption is one of the most popular methods used for the elimination of contaminants for wastewater such as metals. It is effective and easy in terms of cost and operational, environmentally friendly, has low health risk, and is a non-destructive process.
Hello and good morning everyone. Today I will be presenting on the efficacy of bamboo activated charcoal. Bamboo activated charcoal is more functional to purify water, especially by using the method of multi-layer filtration in order to offer clean water from source water in remote mountain areas and or post-disaster. In general, activated carbon is a good adsorbent for gaseous and liquid adsorption and is widely applied in the purification, decolorization, and removal of toxic substances as well as the treatment of wastewater. The study has revealed that indicative parameters of pollution in some surface water can be reduced to portability level as specified by the World Health Organization and the Federal Environmental Protection Agency through adsorption with granular activated carbon produced from a species of Nigerian bamboo named Bambus vulgaris shroud. So this literature review proves that activated bamboo charcoal is a good component for water filtration. Moving on to our proposed product design. So the length of our product is around 15 centimeters. The width will be 3 centimeters and the diameter will be 2 to 2.2 centimeters. So the tip of the product will be made of elastic material, mainly rubber to fit in taps of various sizes easily. So our product will have 3 layers. So the first layer will be activated bamboo charcoal to remove chlorine, odor, microorganism, and pesticide, plus helps with the decolorization of water. And the second layer will be made of zeolite to remove solid, dissolved heavy metals, and ammonium. And the final layer will be made of sand to remove particles, sediments, mud, and solid. So each layer is 3.5 centimeters in length, and each layer will be separated by a thin membrane. Like it's to prevent the spillage of the other layers to each other lah. And and our product also has backwash compatibility, so even if you turn it around from the other side, it'll still function the same way. So moving on to our homemade water filter, basically an experiment. So to the left, you can see that the cloudy brown water is sand water, and to the right, no, and to the right of the picture is the water that's already been filtered. So as you can see, uh, this shows that, if you were to make a real product, it'll be effective in filtering water. And to the right is a filter for soil water. You could see how dark the water is, and when I smelled the water, it was kind of smelly. So once I filtered it out, it became clear and very, the smell was very pleasant in my opinion. So moving on to our strategy and target market. Uh, our main product is a filter that will be attached at the end of water taps. So we will be using a business to consumer strategy, and our target market will be the domestic market. So our product is to be used in Bruneian households for higher quality drinking water at home. So moving on to our challenges. So our first challenge is this, it's sustainability. We're not sure how long the actual product will last, because after making the experiment from a bottle of water, we found out that it may last around 3 to 5 times minimum. Also, another problem is that we might get copyright issues from our product, because our product is heavily based on other products of the same kind. Also, the budgeting. So to make our product, it is going to be expensive according to local water filter manufacturers. Also, we need 1.5 million to get a machine to test the quality of our water to make sure that, our water is actually safe and drinkable. And another challenge we have is resources, obtaining and manufacturing assembly of the different filters and the outer layers. It's very hard to find specific stuff for our products such as zeolite and activated bamboo charcoal. Also, we need experts in manufacturing and actually making our proposed product. In addition, the water in Brunei is drinkable straight from the tap. Although, like, sometimes the water in Brunei, like, is brown, it's actually drinkable. It's just that it has soil in it. So a problem with using our filter is that, we'll just be filtering water that's already basically drinkable enough. And lastly, the product is impossible to make after some discussion with the founder of the U68 patent of bamboo activated charcoal. So according to the researcher, he cannot make the activated charcoal in large enough quantities to fit the needs of our company. Yeah, so right now our group is we're still thinking on how to proceed with our product. And that is all. Thank you for listening and have a great day.